If you have slicing bread in your kitchen, then bring them out. Let me show you how you can make this very easy and mouth-watering breakfast. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Greetings to you all. Thanks for stopping by in another video. God bless you for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. This is Vivian Recipe. All we do here is cooking, and if you love what we do here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of our updates whenever we upload. To all our returning subscribers, God bless you. I appreciate you also so much. So in this video, let's make this very easy breakfast. In a bowl, I break my eggs. After that, I just add a little bit of spinach. Then I'm also adding mozzarella cheese as well. Okay, so I will add salt. Okay, then a little bit of a seasoning powder. Okay, a little bit of seasoning powder. Then I will add some liquid milk. This is optional, guys, so I will add some liquid milk. Then a little bit of olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil that you have. So I'm going to mix everything properly. So the next process, just bring out your slicing bread just like so. I'm just going to dip them inside the egg mix like so. So after that, I will put them in my baking pan. I will repeat the same process with the rest of the slicing bread. So this is the remaining egg, which I'm adding some hot dog. This is chicken hot dog, a little bit of tomatoes and fresh pepper. So I'm just going to put them on top of the slicing bread the way you see me doing. And here we have it. 10 minutes in the oven is out. Yummy, tasty. What do you guys think, guys? This is very easy. Your kids will love this. If they love bread, they must surely love this. Okay, guys, let me know if you'll be trying it out. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in another video. Remain blessed and stay tuned to more video. God bless you all so much. I appreciate, guys. Take care. Bye bye.